I had the camera so close to the road, I was pointing at it like, hit it! Like, try to hit it!
Dude, that was like all the brakes I had to come to this driveway.
Oh no. Alright, let's continue to hoon on forth.
Shot one.
Hit it. So it's 45 degrees out, so I think the commies are right because it's already December. And we're still out A-body moparing and hooning.
Yes. No snow yet to speak of down here, so we're gonna keep on.
This is the last day of fun to be had before,
At least in this car.
right, but before we tear the heads and cam and intake and all that fun stuff. So we'll continue to hoon until that time. That was fun.
That was awesome. Tires are evil and they need to be punished. But anyways, that's probably the last rip. I'm going to bring the car in and we're going to pull the engine to do the cam swap and head swap on it. So we'll be looking for that. It's probably going to take a while for us to do. I only got a little bit of time to work on it here and there. And then what do we got next after that, Blake?
I say we probably start tackling some body work on the Duster.
Yeah.
Do some cutting and at least tacking some sheet metal in and patching and glazing putty and whatnot. And then probably don't want to paint in here, but at least get it all body worked.
We can get it bodied and sealed with primer. Probably wait till nicer weather to paint. But yeah, so stay tuned for more of whatever we do.
Yeah, we're just playing it by ear right now. So
yeah,
if you have any suggestions, let us know down in the comment section.
We're up for about anything.
Yeah,
within legal terms. But so yeah, stop by again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for all the notifications so you don't miss a single one of our episodes.
Don't forget, join our Facebook page, Bad Tree Productions. We just made business cards, and if you'd like one, send us a stamped envelope and we'll send you a couple.
Yeah, they're pretty funny. You'll like them.
All right, gang. Take it easy.
Later.